In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and use your FTP path in Siteground. Whether you're a web developer or a site owner, knowing how to access your FTP path can be incredibly useful. It allows you to upload, download, and manage your files between your local computer and your website. So without further ado, let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to the Siteground website. Open your web browser and navigate to Siteground's official page. Once you're there, look for the login button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to proceed. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. It's important to use a secure password to protect your account, so make sure yours is robust. Once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to the Siteground home. This serves as the control panel for managing your websites hosted on Siteground. Here, you'll want to find the tab labeled Site Tools. This will take you to a dashboard specifically designed for managing your site. Within this dashboard, you'll see several options on the left side. Click on Site. Now you're getting closer to finding that crucial FTP path. Under the Site section, you'll notice an option called FTP Accounts. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the FTP Accounts section, you'll find a list of all the FTP accounts associated with your hosting plan. Each of these accounts has its unique set of credentials. To make any changes or for more details about a specific account, you can click on it. However, what we're looking for right now is the FTP path. Look for an option called Home Path or something similar. Clicking on this will reveal your FTP path. It's usually a string of text that looks like a directory path. This path is crucial because it's what you'll input into your FTP client, such as FileZilla or CyberDuck, to gain access to your website files. Take note of this path or copy it to your clipboard, and there you have it. With your FTP path in hand, you can now use it with any FTP client to manage your files seamlessly. It's a bit of a journey to find it, but once you do, managing your website becomes a lot more flexible. Remember, understanding how to navigate your hosting provider's interface is a valuable skill. Not only does it empower you to take control of your site, but it also equips you with the knowledge to troubleshoot and fix issues quickly. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and be sure to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and happy file transferring.